Did you know that some storms can sing? In the eerie silence before a storm, certain weather conditions can create a phenomenon known as acoustic gravity waves. These waves, invisible to the eye, produce a haunting melody as they ripple through the atmosphere. It's like the sky's own ghostly orchestra tuning up for a performance. This rare occurrence is both scientifically fascinating and a little spooky, as if the weather itself is alive and whispering secrets. Next time you hear the wind's eerie tune, remember, it's nature's own concert. Like, comment, and subscribe for more curious tales.